All right, so we're bracing for maybe a weekend where you'll want to have some firewood handy, turn the heater on.
That is a good idea.
Get some hot chocolate.
Yes, have all of those preps. I mean, hot chocolate, I don't know what kind of New Year's goals you have, Mark, but I'm trying to do no added sugar. So we'll see.
That will not taste very good.
Just hot water.
Yeah.
You want to get all those preps done today and tomorrow because we are looking at a major cool down, the biggest one we've had in about a year. So definitely want to make sure to prep for that. So right now it's 55 degrees. We're actually trending warmer than normal today and tomorrow. In fact, 55 is pretty close to the normal high temperature for this time of the year. And it's not even noon yet. We have plenty of time for that temperature to still go up. So tomorrow it'll look a little different. Look at the cloud cover streaming in. Throughout the day, we could very well see a pop-up shower, mainly east of DFW. Tomorrow, most of us stay completely dry. But look at what happens Saturday night going into Sunday. You'll see a little bit more in the way of some isolated showers, all as our next cold front approaches. So what's happening is that cold front approaches, it interacts with the warm and moist air that's in place. And that's the reason why we see not only the cloud cover, but also a few isolated showers. And this happens early Sunday. So this is around 7 in the morning on Sunday. You see that front and how it helps develop a few showers. As the morning goes on, this pushes quickly towards the east. Whenever those temperatures climb ahead of the front, that's where the thunderstorms are going to develop. That's why you see better development along that cold front sometime around midday on Sunday. While we dry out, we'll have that cold, dry air just sinking into Texas throughout the remainder of the day on Sunday. So the threat for severe weather, we don't see it along the I-35 corridor. It's mainly in far eastern North Texas. And even then, the threat is very low. The threat is slightly higher for areas of Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. We're not even going to pick up a lot of rain. It'll be less than 1/10 of an inch, if that, for us on Sunday. And then we're looking pretty dry for most of the day. We are looking also at temperatures that are above normal, so warmer than normal for Friday and Saturday. Saturday, we'll see the breeze kicking up a bit, gusting close to 25 miles per hour with cloud cover overhead, temperature of 64. On Sunday, that high of 60, it happens early in the day. The cold front, like I mentioned, comes in around 7 or 8, and the temperature just drops after that. Around 1 in the afternoon, 51 degrees. But when you factor in the wind, remember I told you it's going to be windy on Sunday, 41 is what it'll feel like. And look at this, by 9 p.m., 32 degrees. Feeling like 21. It'll feel like the teens most of the night Sunday going into Monday. And as far as how long we stay in freezing conditions, it's not that long, but we do revisit freezing temperatures every night next week. So this is our first night with freezing conditions. We get to freezing around 9 p.m. Sunday. We stay freezing 7 a.m. Monday, and then we start warming 33 degrees, so we climb above freezing by 11. That's a total of 14 hours with freezing temperatures, and it's all coming from northern Canada. You already see sub-zero temperatures in areas like North Dakota, and you see this Arctic air just sinking in towards the south, and it gets here, and it gets here soon, so definitely make sure to have the preps. I do want to show you this, though. Morning lows the next week in the 20s. This is not record-breaking cold. Not to discount it, it is very cold. We'll be trending about 10-15 degrees colder than normal. But the records this time of the year for low temperatures are in the single digits in the teens. So we're not breaking any records. We're not going to spend a long period of time with freezing temperatures any given day. But it is a stretch of a few cold days. In fact, Mark, we do see morning lows in the 20s a good portion of next week with highs only in the 40s.
At least we have some time to prepare, Marielle. Thank you for that.